Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of our Periodontology course. I'm Dr. Clara, and today we will be talking about the pathogenesis and classification of gingivitis and periodontitis. Now, just a reminder that all the high-yield information that I've seen on past exams are bolded in hot pink. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we've discussed in a former video how when plaque forms, different types of bacteria adhere to it. Today we will talk about some specific bacteria that are super important in periodontology. But first, story time. In 1998, this super cool doctor called Sigmund Sakransky developed the complex theory, where periodontal pathogens are categorized based on their association with the severity of disease. He divided the bacteria into different colored complexes. Fun!